Okay, hello everybody. Today, once again, well, first time, I'm playing White Noise on the Xbox. Tomorrow, my friend Declan, he's coming over, and he's gonna play it for the first time. Can't wait to see him scream at this, because it's a really scary game. Yeah, Declan? Let me turn the volume up. Say something. Hold up, whoa.
I'm scared.
Uh,
I'm so scared.
yeah, I'm pretty sure they can hear you.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, I am scared for tomorrow. He's playing White Noise, I'll be playing tomorrow. It's gonna be scary. Alright, I'll let you talk to him.
Okay, I found a building. I hear a tape
Alright,
recorder.
go on.
I hear a tape recorder. I hear one.
Well, get it. Get the ball.
Whoa.
Get that tape recorder.
Hold up. Oh, that's why. I turned off my flashlight quit working. I was like, why did it quit working? But I turned it off.
Hey, wait a minute. Am I coming through the TV now?
No. I got my headset volume turned all the way up, Declan.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, crap.
What just happened?
What the
What just happened?
crap?
What just
Ah!
happened? Oh crap, dude, don't scare me like that.
I've got to get past that. I've got to walk past it. You know them green things that kill you?
Yep.
I've got to get past it. Okay. Listening for a tape recorder.
I'm scared just thinking about this. How many tape recorders have you found?
One.
Question.
Ah! Oh my god!
Did you die?
Oh god! Oh my god!
Did you die?
No! Oh crap! I wish I did though. Oh crap! Oh crap! Dude, when
Okay,
you
big jump scare there, people.
when you see
We'll get a bigger one tomorrow, trust me.
dude, when you see the dude, a scream noise just comes out of nowhere.
Oh, wow. I do not want to play that tomorrow, but I have to.
I would. Ah!
Did you die?
No! I gotta get over there. He got me trapped.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, he teleported. Can I just rage quit? Ah!
No. I can't rage quit, so you can't.
Where's he at?
Hey, YouTube, just trust me.
Ah!
This is a bigger jump scare from me. Did you die? Thomas. Thomas. Go. Speak to me. Now. Thomas. Hello?
Oh, shoot.
Thomas.
Shoot.
Did you die?
Yeah.
Speak to me, bro. What's going on?